Hello and welcome, this is Paul Photography with episode 16 of 1 minute shooting ideas for every tiny home studio. Today we will be paparazzis at the red carpet. Well, not really, but let's pretend and create a paparazzi shot in the living room. Let's jump right into it. Famous makeup artist Ella Cafello will be our star on the red carpet. To get a well-lit shot, we will set up a classic beauty shot lighting. First, we position a strobe with the rectangular softbox high in front of the model. To get rid of the shadows under the eyes, nose and chin, I place the reflector right under the softbox. So we get the beautiful even light on the face. Now let's add emotion and the red carpet feeling to the picture. My speedlights are set to slave mode and will be our paparazzis in the background. Let's go! Paul, and this is your red carpet shot.